And we are back with another robot vacuum review, but this time we're going full-on flagship territory. Meet the Dreame X50 Ultra, the brand's most advanced, most automated cleaning system yet. If the L10S Ultra Gen 2 felt like a big leap, this one feels like Dreame throwing everything they've got into one machine. Let's get into it. At first glance, the X50 Ultra sticks to that clean, circular, dreamy design. It looks a lot more refined in the more muted black colorway that we have this time around, but it is also available in white. The real story is the upgraded base station. This thing is massive, in a good way. It's essentially a full-service cleaning hub. We're talking auto dustbin emptying, mop washing, hot water cleaning, hot air drying, auto refilling, and detergent dispensing, all in one dock. The robot itself feels more refined too, with improved sensor placement and a more robust build. Underneath, we still get dual rotating mop pads, now paired with better downward pressure and smarter edge coverage. The brush system has also evolved, designed to better resist tangles, which is perfect for households with a lot of fur babies or long hair everywhere. There's also a cool new direct time of flight sensor that now pops up when in use and tucks back down depending on the necessary height clearances. It has the ability to determine 200 types of objects like shoes, cables, and more, allowing the X50 Ultra to easily traverse through its cleaning route. Actual cleaning performance is where the X50 Ultra really separates itself. We're now looking at up to 12,000 pascals of suction power, making it one of the most powerful robot vacuums in the market right now. Whether it's fine dust, crumbs, or heavier debris, this thing has no problem picking things up in most scenarios. Mopping is also smarter and more aggressive. Like I mentioned earlier, it features advanced mop extension for edges and corners, plus automatic mop lifting when it detects carpets, so it can vacuum and mop in one go without soaking rugs. The Dreame X50 Ultra also features the brand's Pro Lift system, which allows the RoboVac to climb over obstacles of up to 6 meters, which may not be so useful for stairs, but for cables or even sliding door tracks between rooms, it's great. On top of that, we're sure you've all noticed the LED flashlight that turns on for the front sensor whenever it finds itself in dark areas. There's even built-in voice control now, which we can activate by saying, "Hey Dreamy," and we even have the ability to tap into the camera feed of the X50 Ultra to check on our pets. Not to mention, with the improved sensors, 3D mapping is faster and more accurate, and through the app, we can still have it clean specific rooms only, create custom no-go zones, and adjust the cleaning sequence. That said, in real-world use, it's not flawless. Despite the high suction rating, fine dust and edge cleaning can sometimes require a second pass, especially along walls and tight corners. On carpets, it handles surface debris well, but deep cleaning like embedded dirt or pet hair can still fall short of flagship expectations. Mopping is great for maintenance cleaning, but for dried or stubborn stains, we may need multiple runs just to get the job done. The obvious benefit is, of course, not having to do anything but watch the robot clean up your mess. The Dreame X50 Ultra packs a 5,200 mAh battery, delivering around 200 to 250 minutes or 3 to 4 hours of runtime depending on usage. In light cleaning modes, that's more than enough for most homes. But once you crank up suction and enable full mopping features, battery drain becomes more noticeable. Thankfully, it supports smart recharge and resume, automatically docking, charging, and continuing exactly where it left off. So in practice, the X50 Ultra is designed to be as hands-off as possible. End users can literally go weeks without touching it, making it one of the most automated cleaning systems available to consumers today. The Dreame X50 Ultra is pretty much the Galaxy Phone Pro Max Ultra of RoboVacs. It's built for people who want zero-effort cleaning, top-tier automation, and one of the smartest robot vacuum systems available right now. But It's also a reminder that automation doesn't always mean perfect cleaning. There are still small gaps in edge cleaning, deep carpet performance, and stain removal. Still, if what you're after is a fully automated set it and forget it cleaning experience, the X50 Ultra absolutely delivers. Just be ready to pay flagship money for it. Because the Dreame X50 Ultra is available from the brand's official Shopee store for around 60,000 pesos. Yep, that's a big chunk of money for a robot vac. But if you want one of the best ones out there, it's probably this one. Still, what do you guys think of the Dreame X50 Ultra? Let us know in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful or informative, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit yugatech.com, follow us on all our social media platforms, that's Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok for the latest tech news and reviews. Dreame X50 Ultra, Big LT, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.